Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all of you. I am Mary Joy V. Song, and today I and my group mates will discuss our proposed business plan. Our proposed business plan for our real estate business is the V Tower. The first section of our business plan is the executive summary. Green Corporation is located at 6768 Adalia Street, Guadalupe Viejo, Makati City. Our hotline number is 0918-73-13-37-1 or 0915-34-80436 or 883-1870. And our website is www.vincorporation.rjcf.com.ph. Our key people are Mary Rose Buyok, Mary J. Tobol, Caitlin Buyok, and Cynthia Elaine Aristain. Our key people are Mary Rose Buyok. She is the Chief Executive Officer of our corporation. She lives at Block 253 Emerald Street, Quezon, Makati City. Her contact number is 0930-8074-0939. The next key people is Miss Mary J. Tomat. She acts as the Head Development Officer. She lives at 130 Staghan Street, Barangay Makati City. Barangay Rizal pala. Her contact number is 0910-57-18654. The third key person is Miss Caitlin Buyok. She acts as our Head Operational Officer. She lives at Block 328 Oriole Street, Barangay Rizal, Makati City. Her contact number is 0915-20-42595. The last key... Bakit mo binabod? Di pa tamon.